Hey guys, Duchess Braids here and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a quick one for you guys because this is really for my ladies that just don't have time. You're a mom, you got things to do, especially if you're a sports mom like me and you just don't have time for your hair. You just want to throw something on real quick. Maybe you're not the lace front type of girl or the frontal wig type of girl, but you are okay with wigs and you just want something real quick, easy, simple, and cute. This video is gonna be for you. The hair that I'm using today is from Luvme hair. This is the box they sent me. I already pulled the wig out because I just want to kind of get to the point. It's gonna be short, quick, and sweet. I just want to show you guys how I style this type of wig and different ways you can style it. But this is a half wig, you guys. So the length is 24 inches. It's long and you can shape it and cut it however you want. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, is just showing you guys how I would style a half wig. Y'all, this type of hair for me is a gem. And so I'm bringing this to y'all so y'all know. But this hair, this is how it comes out the pack, very much wig looking. But once I wash it and comb it out and show you guys how to get it to look more natural and blend in more with your natural hair, this is gonna be a game changer for you. I've been waiting a long time to have a wig like this. It can be turned into a ponytail with the drawstring right here. You have the clips all over that you can clip in. It's invisible because the hair flips back on it. You can't really see the edge because they have the hair on the inside that flips over the lid. So you don't necessarily have to put your hair on top of this. You can always do like some little cute braids in the front and then lay it on top, and it just kind of looks like it's coming out of your head. This is going to change the game for a lot of people, and it's just really quick and easy. It's really for people that gotta go. Even if you don't gotta go and you just lazy with your hair and you just want something to do, this is gonna be for you. And so let's jump into the first style that we can do with this hair. The gel that I'm using today is the Lock and Twist gel, or lock and braid gel.
So I've been seeing this style go pretty viral on social media when it comes to this wig. So I wanted to try it. It's a style where it's braided in the front going across maybe like 3 to 4 times. And then you have the wig at the back. So I'm going to start by parting my hair out. And my part is going to start right before my hair starts to peak on the sides. And I'm saying this because I know everyone's hairline is different. And I just want to guide you as best as possible throughout this style. So right before the hair starts to peak on the sides, I'm going to start my part there and go towards the ear. And I'm gonna make enough space for 2 braids before you get to the back of the ear. So you want to split that in half, that space between the front of the ear and the back of the ear. And so then I'm gonna start braiding, and for this I'm not gonna add any additional hair in my braid. If you want your braid to be thicker than mine is right now, you can add hair to it, and it probably would look much better with being thicker, but I didn't. Because I'm going to be doing various styles in this video. And so then I went on to my second braid, which is coming from the other end. So I would basically make my part starting where I feel like right before my peak, and then I'll start braiding parting across towards my ear. All right, and then I just start braiding that. And like I said, I'm not putting too much effort in these braids. This is a style that I've seen numerous times, and I really wanted to try it to see if it gives that same look. And once I got 2 braids on each side, I went ahead and joined those braids together, because then I'm going to put them into the back. And so for the back, because this is where the wig is going to go, I'm not going to give it too much attention when it comes to the braids. So I'm just going to slap 4 braids in it. As long as they're flat, it really doesn't matter, because it's a curly wig. You know, curly wigs puff up. So even if your hair or your braid down was a little bit bumpy, it really wouldn't show because it's a curly puffy wig. And so I just slapped 4 braids in the back, and I lifted them into each other, the ends into each other, and braided it down. And now I'm gonna basically put the wig on. So the wig, I've already washed it and I've already combed it out, and then I put some gel on it. I used the Extreme Hold gel, and I put that on it, and now I'm gonna just put it on my head The hair is still kind of wet, and most of these I'm going to show you when it's wet, but I'm going to try to add some more videos at the end of the video to show you guys when it's dry, because it looks absolutely beautiful when it's dry. So that's how easy it was to just throw that wig on, and it does not feel like it's going to move anywhere. Right now I'm just adding some more water to it, and I'm gonna put some of this Mael gel on it, only because it smells so good, y'all. I love when I have curly hair and it smells good, um because you never know who's going to be next to you, and I don't want it to smell wiggy or just smell like hair, so I like to put something on it that smells good. But this is how the first style looks, and I'll also show you guys a quick look at what it looks like when it's dry. I've been rocking this hair nonstop since I got it. You've probably already seen it on multiple occasions in my video before this video even went up. So now I'm gonna take out one of those braids, y'all. Like y'all see, I didn't take out the entire front. I just took one out because now I'm gonna flip it over the hair in the front on top of the wig, right? So now I adjusted the wig from the back. Y'all know that little drawstring at the back. I adjusted it to make the wig bigger, and then I fit it across my full head, basically with this little part left out. Then I'm gonna put the lock and twist or lock and braid in my hair, and this is gonna help me to shape my own natural hair to look a little bit looser. My curls are not the same curls as this wig. My curls are a little bit tighter than this, and so in order for me not to make a drastic difference, I like to use something that is not fully water based, something that is more I don't know if it's wax based. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't revert my curls as tight as other gels would. And this is how that looks. And I'll also give you guys close up at the end as well. I'm just running through the different styles that you can do. But this just looks absolutely beautiful, y'all. And I'm telling y'all, I don't need anything else on this wig. It feels like it's not going to move. Unless someone purposely snatches it off your head, like this wig feels very secure. I used all four of the combs to make sure it was secure on my head, and then I like tightened it with the drawstring at the back. So now I'm gonna throw it into a ponytail, y'all. This part right here is legit because I just slick my hair back into a bun like I would any other day. And instead of rocking it like this, I could put a little flare to it and put the wig on it, y'all. So y'all see how puffy like my little bun is at the back? I'm gonna draw the drawstring up as tight as I can. And then I'm just gonna fit my big bun that's at the back, fit that wig on top of that and stick those combs in, right? And this is how it looks. Look how pretty that is. That just looks so beautiful. And then I'm just gonna play with it a little bit, and I'll take some of the hair out and wrap it around just to make it even more secure. You can put scrunchies on it. You can do whatever. And when this dries, it looks phenomenal, y'all. But look how cute that is. Look how quick and easy. You have a style you can go. Like I said, I'm always on the go, so a style like this is needed. So once the hair has been shaped to my face and it dries, this is how beautiful it looks. And as you guys can see, there's a variety of styles you can get from this wig. You can get a side part, middle part, it's pulled back in a ponytail, half up, half down, so many different styles. This hair is from Luvme Hair, you guys, and all the information you guys need on it will be in the description. So you can go to the description, click on that link, and get this half wig, and you can be on your way. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.